We need to sew a stuffed piggy. Choose the fabric you want to sew the toy from. What an unusual choice! Let's see what comes out. Drag the templates onto the fabric. Tap the template to cut out the pieces. Keep it up. Tap on the sewing machine to sew the toy. That's it! Stuff the toy. Drag the stuffing onto the toy. Let's decorate our toy. Drag the decorative parts onto the toy. Great job! Let's choose a packaging for our toy. Drag the packaging onto the table. Well done! Now drag the toy onto the box. Tap on the box to put it together. Great job!